Hi, I'm Safiuddin Sheikh. This is my submission for the Datastraw Assessment, full stack customer support ticketing CRM built with Python, Fast API, and SQLite with a plain HTML and Tailwind CSS frontend. Let me walk you through it. This is the home page. It lists all support tickets with the ticket ID, customer name, subject, status, and creation date. Let's create a new ticket. I'll fill the customer name, email, issue title, and description. Uh, I've generated a dummy entry from the ChatGPT. I'll just fill this form. Issue title will be after entering all the details. I'll simply just click on create ticket and it will create a new ticket. As you can see, it also creates a unique ticket number for it along with the timestamp, and I've taken straight to the detail page. So here I can update the status of it, like close or it's in progress or open. And all I have to do is save changes after that. And back, if I click on the back to the tickets, this is the home page. And here I can see all the available tickets which are open, in progress, or closed. I can also search here as well. I can search across customer name, ticket ID, email, or description. And this search filtering is live. Like if I search Samir, so it will show the Samir's ticket. Okay, though, so this filtering search is live. Also, the drop-down menu to select or to filter the available tickets based on its status is by open, in progress, and also there are no closed tickets. So that's why it says no signals match your results. And one more thing here we can do is if I click on the ticket, it shows me the detail of it. From here, I can update the status, change status drop down, and I can also add a note like this issue has been resolved or something like this. This issue is solved. And I can close this ticket. Currently, it is open, so I'll just click on Save Changes, and the issue is solved, and the ticket is now closed. So let me give you a brief code walkthrough for this project which I've built here. So this is my main.py. The backend is three files: main.py and main.py, database.py, and the schemas.py. So let me tell you something about main.py first. It handles all the four API endpoints: create, list, search, filter, and get single tickets and update. And here I have written all the uh, functions for the functions for creating the ticket and listing and all for four of the API endpoints. And now the database.py that subs the two SQLite tables, tickets and notes. Okay, and generates the sequential ticket IDs. And last but not the least, schemas.py is used has the pydantic models that validate incoming requests, like making sure the email is in a valid format. Like I've also mentioned a comment here, pydantic models used for request validation and response shaping. As I said, we are making sure the email is a valid format. And these all three files are the backend related files. Okay, so the front end is three plain HTML in the static folder, create.html, index, and ticket.html. Tailwind for styling, and vanilla JavaScript with fetch calls to talk to the API. No build setup needed, which kept the deployment simple. So this is the styling script for the project, and I have chosen Fast API because it gives you request validations and API docs out of the box, and SQLite because the assignment only needed two simple tables, no need for a heavier database, keeping the front end to plain HTML and Tailwind instead of a React build. Let me with so this is why I've chosen all these stacks. And the main challenge was getting the live search to feel instant without hammering the API on every keystroke, which I solved with a debounce timer on the front end. So the live filtering, which I have already mentioned here, if I simply write like simply type order status or something, then it will automatically, I don't have to like press a search button for it. It's the filter is live. And the second challenge was designing the update endpoint. So a single put call could handle both status change and a new note. Like if you have seen this, I have already updated a ticket here. So the main challenge was to put a call for this update status and a note without needing two separate requests. So these two things are updated in a single request. That's the Datastraw support CRM. All five core features working end to end, deployed and ready. It is also deployed on railway.app, as you can see. So this is deployed and ready to use. Thanks for watching.